In this video we will see how pasta is made in factory. Pasta is a great food to experiment with. But it is very simple to make pasta in factory in many varieties of shape. It starts with a slightly grainy wheat flour, known as semolina, which is mixed well with water. As per requirement, it is passed in molds of various shapes. In this way, it is possible to make hundreds of different shaped pastas in the factory. The pasta coming from the machine is then dried. Depending on the thickness, each shape is dried for 12 hours. This dry pasta will last a long time without spoiling, so this is the most important step in making pasta. The finished pasta is sent to the shops in packets according to the exact quantity. How was the pasta making video? If you like the video, please comment and like. Don't forget to subscribe.